Selecting a right and perfect product is very important in order to succeed in affiliate marketing, because your revenue, your return of time invested, the patience, the work, the everything is depending upon the product. Because if you are promoting any of the product what is not in demand, or maybe what people are not looking for, then there is no point of promoting this kind of offers and this kind of product basically. And yes, in this whole video I share by the best ways by which you can select the best products on Amazon, because in Amazon you will find different thousands, maybe lakhs of products, and out of that how you can pick the right product, what is the best for your audience, maybe for your targeted customer. And yes, I'll share some of my personal strategies as well, how I select my products if I plan to promote Amazon affiliate products. So those people who are watching me for the very first time, I want to welcome you guys. I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and various other cool ways by which you can make money by sitting at home. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you people subscribe and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So without making delay, let's hop into my computer and I'll show you exactly how you can choose the best products, and you can promote with the help of different strategies as well. So let's get started. Alright guys, now you will understand how we can choose best products from Amazon to promote as an affiliate. So understand one simple concept, that it takes a huge time and it is the impact of your revenue, the how much you can earn with the help of Amazon affiliate. It also matters how you can promote, how you can strategize, how you can choose the products. And yes, if you are choosing right products for your affiliate marketing campaign, or maybe for your affiliate products, for your affiliate blogs, then there are a lot of chances that you will get huge amount of revenue. So I'll make you understand all the steps whatever I have explained, I have mentioned over here. So make sure you people watch the full video so that you can understand in depth of this process, how you can choose the best product and what can give you a good number of revenue. So initially, to register on Amazon as an affiliate, what you have to do, just simply go to this Amazon website and simply scroll down, and here you will get one option as make money with us. In this option you will have to select become an affiliate. So once you click on become an affiliate, you will be redirected to Amazon associate page. Even you can also Google search Amazon associates and you will find out this page, and from here you can log in. You have to click on join and you will have one registration form. And yes, this is simple thing, and it is as simple as it is. You have to join, then you have to advertise your products, and yes, you will have to earn once anyone buys anything from you. This is so simple and amazing. You can literally earn huge amount of revenue with the help of Amazon associate, and this is a simple process. And for that you don't have to, they are not taking any kind of verification process. The whole thing is auto verified. Once you simply click on join, automatically simple will verify, system will verify your account. And yes, you have to give all the details like bank details. You have to select based on your niche, based on your product, based on your interest level. And thing is that if you are promoting, if you are writing article in relationship niche, you cannot promote the product of health and wealth niche, or maybe any other niche as well. So you have to select the product relevant to your articles, relevant to your contents, and yes, then only you will be able to generate money. Because see something, for example, I'm looking for any kind of product what is related to music, and if after watching on any video of music on YouTube, if the person has given the link of any trimmer, then it doesn't make any sense, right? So I am watching the content for my interest level of music, and the person has given the link of any trimmer, or it doesn't make any sense, and yes, no one will buy. Thing is that you have to promote the product related to your niche. Next thing, what you have to understand the commission structure of Amazon. Understand commission is a little bit less in Amazon, and yes, you can earn good amount of money. For that you have to generate good amount of sales as well. So you have to simply click on advertising fees, what you will get in affiliate Amazon associate website, and it is very much clear, and it will redirect to this page, and here you can see all the commission structures, all the things. For example, example, for Kindle devices and ebook, the commission is 10%, and for mobile phones, commission is 2.5%. Okay, so here what is my personal strategy actually? So I choose the commission structure of this kind of products, what is nearly around 10% or 8% or 9%, so that whenever I sell any of the product, the chances of getting maximum revenue is more. Say for example, if I choose any product what is of 2%, so there is no point of promoting this product because commission rate is little bit less. So I choose nearly around those products who are 10% or 8% or at least 9%, so that my commission rates are little bit just higher and I can generate good amount of money. And the third thing what you have to understand, you have to select high ticket product. So high ticket product in the sense, if you are selling any product of maybe 10 rupees or maybe 20 rupees, then there is no point. Okay, because if you are selling 10 rupees of product, you will get commission of 1 rupee, so there is no point. In the same way, if you are promoting any product what is maybe $10,000 or maybe 10,000 rupees, then if you are generating 500, it makes a sense, right? So in the same way, you have to choose a product which is above $100 or maybe which is above 10,000 or maybe 6,000, 10,000, so something like that. Okay, so for an example, the Xbox is a gaming devices, everyone knows, and the price is little bit high. So as compared to the Xbox, if I promote Xbox, the chances of getting revenue is much higher as compared to products what is available on like different products. Maybe if I talk any of the trimmer or something like that. Okay, so you have to pick high ticket products so that you can generate a good amount of money with less amount of sales. This is the strategy what you have to follow, and every professional affiliate marketers does follow that. Okay, so next after that you have to just check the reviews and ratings of the product. So say something, for example, I am promoting any of Xbox product, and after searching the product, I have to sort it down by reviews, because if I am promoting a product which is one star review, or maybe people has given negative reviews, then there is no point of promoting this kind of products, because if we give any kind of affiliate links which is not even worthy, no one will buy. Buying on Amazon or any of the e-commerce website, people does look on the reviews, does look on the ratings and the comments of the customers, what people are saying about the product, so that they don't get any kind of refund issues or something like that. Okay, so initially what I do, whenever I choose any of the product, I sort them with the reviews, then I go to individual products, and then I select my product what I want to promote according to my niche, according to my specific criteria. The next thing what you need to follow, this is my personal strategy, and you have to understand the viability of products. Okay, so not every single product on Amazon or maybe other dependent website is as sellable, which is good in shop purchase. Okay, so there are two types of products which is viable and which is just only for people, only for browsing. There are a lot of products which is not viable. For example, if I give you one example, lipsticks. Okay, so people will come to this kind of products just to check what is the color, what is the price and all, but people will prefer to buy this lipsticks, buy this kind of products from physical store, as I have mentioned that in-store purchase, because you have to understand the demand of that particular product. And lipsticks, maybe perfume, thing is that these are all kind of products what people will buy generally from stores, and they don't buy from Amazon or any other e-commerce website, because people want to see the color, how it looks like, people want to see the perfume, people want to know the smell of the perfume or something like that. You have to figure it out whether this product is viable online or viable in offline. Yes, there are a lot of people who are buying, but if we get perfect product, the chances of getting much more commission, much more revenue are more. So next thing what you have to check, that is availability of the product. So thing is that understand one thing, these are all things what is sold by the seller, and Amazon has own vendor as well. So directly from the company also people sales, that is called as vendor account in Amazon. And also there are few products what is all present on Amazon warehouse, and you have to select the product what is already available. So if any seller is selling, the chances of being out of stock is more as compared to the product what is fulfilled by Amazon. So there is one option that is called as fulfilled by Amazon. I'm randomly taking one product just to show you how things work. Okay, so say for example, if I see we have on option as 11 other products. So these are all things what is sold by different seller. So something like this is fulfilled by Amazon, means it is kept in Amazon warehouse and Amazon will deliver if someone buys from that particular link. Okay, and yes, this is all seller, and this seller is shipping by own self, and this is the same thing, this seller is shipping by own self. So I have to understand if the product have to be fulfilled by Amazon, so that there should not be any issues with the availability, with the stock count, and yes, so that whenever anyone will click on my affiliate link, they should get the availability of the product. So chances are more that my products will get sale. Okay, so understand one more thing that is very important. You have to check the availability of Prime as well. Why Prime? So if I consider, say something, there is a lot of product what is delivered by Prime and delivered by different other sellers as well. So you have to select product which is sold by Prime. So if I simply just search a drone and I can see here the Prime batch is there, and I'll select this kind of product is provided by Prime, delivered by Prime, and the Prime has a defined guarantee, and it actually builds a trust of the customers, and the chances are more in to buy Prime products. So I have generally what I do after searching any of the product, I sort it by the word Prime, by filter Prime, and here I'll get all the product what is provided by Prime, delivered by Prime as well as, and yes, there are chances people will buy Prime products because Prime has a trust factor, and people will understand that this is a good product, and yes, the chances of getting your commission, getting your sales are more if you select any of the Prime product. Understand the concepts. Okay, so one more, the last thing what you have to understand, the product which has solved some problem, or maybe based on hobby. So please choose any of the product what solved any of the problem. So means, what does it mean? So there are a lot of products available in multiple categories, multiple different things, and yes, kind of things. As of now, if I give any example, so now it's summer in India, and yes, not in India, there are different places where it is summer, and if you sell any of the product what is kind of air cooler or maybe AC, so the chances are more that product will get sale in these days. So this is kind of a product what will solve a problem. In the same way, if I take any example like a trimmer, that is a day-to-day life uses thing, and yes, it will solve a problem. And the most important thing, you understand one more other concept as well. Thing is that whenever I search, for example, I'm searching for a trimmer. Okay, so after searching the product, if I have a lot of products, after that, if I see any of the department, if I select unisex products, so means any of the person who is my reader, or the person, if it is a male or if it is female, so anyone can buy these products because it is unisex. So chances are more that you will get sales, because if anyone is a male or anyone is female, so it doesn't matter, they will buy these products because it is unisex products, and the probability is more. So the last thing, based on hobby. So what is based on hobby? So as I said, you have to select the products which is solving any problem, as I have explained. Like for summer days, maybe it can be cooler, or also you can select a trimmer, and you have to choose any kind of product what is unisex, as compared if thing is applicable. Like say for example, in drone you won't get kind of unisex kind of things, or maybe in cooler you won't get department kind of things. So simply you have to understand the products as well. And the last thing what you have to understand, the hobby. As I said, you have to, if you select any product what is based on hobby, then chances are more that it will get sale. How you can select the product? So maybe if I say any example, luxurious watches for men, that is a hobby, right? So this is a small products, and it's a small ticket products, but still there's something kind of jewelries, gold chain jewelries for men, or maybe gold chain jewelries for women. these are all hobby based products, right? So hobby based products are very much authentic, and yes, it will generate a good amount of money because these are all things high ticket product. So in a nutshell, to wrap up the whole thing, so you have to understand how the mentality of people works, how you can generate good amount of money, because the end goal is choosing an affiliate product just to earn money, right? So you have to understand how people are thinking, what is the mentality of the buyer, and how you can leverage the mentality by showing them right product to right people to the right way. As I have already explained, there are thousands of products available on Amazon. With the help of Amazon, you can literally promote any product or every product as well. But thing is that if you are investing little bit time in order to search the product, what is the best for you, maybe what is incorrect for you, if you are applying all the strategies whatever I have explained so far in the whole video, if you are strategic enough, you can generally earn huge amount of money. And you have to literally think, you have to understand in the perspectives of buyer, in the perspectives of your audience as well, how you can give them a good offer, how you can give them a good product, what is their need. So understand, they don't have any need. You have to be with your product, you have to be with your services, what is their need, and you have to create a need what you can sell. This is how affiliate marketers makes money. This is how you can also make money with the help of all those strategies. I hope I was able to clear the whole concept, how you can select a good product from Amazon out of thousands and lakhs of products. And I believe I was able to give a little bit value in this video. So let me know if you have any other concerns, and also if you have any concerns, you can reach me out on Instagram. I'll try my level best to help out you people. And yes, before leaving this video, make sure people like this video, because I have shared some of my personal strategies what no one actually talks on internet. And yes, if you find this video helpful, make sure you people also share with your friends who are interested in making money online as well. So thank you so much for watching the whole video. Have a great day.